video with my coffee. Today is literally so exciting. I'm literally so pumped. Okay, I'm getting a new phone. Oh my gosh. I've had an iPhone 6s for a year and a half now. It's been a while, and it's not that my phone is like terrible, but it's starting to slow down. And the thing with YouTubers is that I'm constantly taking photos like every day, and I need good camera quality. So I've worked off the money to get a new phone, and I'm really excited. I want to get the iPhone 8. The iPhone 8 and the iPhone 6 are similar sizes, and I like the size of my phone. And some of my cases, my iPhone 6s cases, are still gonna fit. If you guys didn't know, I have like 30 cases. Literally, I have so many iPhone cases. Some of them are still gonna fit my iPhone 8, so I'm gonna try those on. And I'm actually so excited. I've had the same phone for so long. I want to get like the really light pink color, so we're gonna go down to the AT&T store. VidCon is coming up really soon. I mainly wanted to get this phone before VidCon so that I could take cute photos and cute stuff on my story. Ah, we're here. I'm so ready. We have the phone. Guys, so we have the phone. Oh my gosh. Well, we don't have it with us right now. So we actually have to wait 15 minutes. The phone is like doing this weird processing thing. I'm not really sure. I know nothing about phones, nothing. We are leaving the phone here for like 15 minutes, and we're gonna head over to Target. It's really close by, and we're gonna go look at cases because I wanna start up my case collection, even though I will have probably half of my iPhone 6s cases because they'll still fit. So excited. I love the process of getting new phones. It's so exciting. Wow! Speed bump. Another speed bump. Here we go! Okay, you guys know that like really colorful pink phone case I have? I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but I have this one, and it's like there's an ice cream cone on it and it's pink, and I got it from Target. So let's hope they have cute ones like that. 4th of July? Oh wait, that's like really soon. I'm stupid. That's so cute. Ooh. Cases. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Actually, wait, I don't know. I have to move all of these pop sockets out of the way to get the one I want. Yes, this one. Look how pretty that is. I actually love that. Look at that. That would be really pretty. It's marble with a really simple heart, and if I put it on this plain blue, that could be really nice. It's green. No, it's not. It's green. I want a pink one, like that in pink. They have this in an 8. Oh, it's $40. Oh my gosh.
I guess because it's a brand.
Final decision, I'm gonna get this greeny blue case and put that pop socket on top. Ah, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, okay, my mom is checking out, and then she's gonna run the car down to Claire's, because that, you know, checking out and driving the car, that'll take at least 10 minutes. So I'm gonna run down to Claire's at the end of this thing. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna look at cases at Claire's and see if there's another one I could get, because I love cases. I think we found the decision. Look at this pop socket. It's so funny and cute. I love it. And then this is just a plain case, but there's like bedazzled on the side. Yes! So now I have two cases for my new phone. Oh my god! Alright guys, so here's the thing. Today I bought a phone. This phone. My mom had this phone. It is an iPhone 8. It's in the pink color, and it's glass and beautiful. I love it, and it has really good camera quality. And instead of me just buying a whole new phone, I decided my mom was gonna get a new phone because we really wanted the portrait mode. Basically, the portrait mode is like a really nice camera filter that you can only have on the pluses. And so I was thinking, and I was like, well, if I just buy a new phone, then we'll have 2 iPhone 8s in the family, my mom's and then my new phone that I would buy. But that doesn't get us portrait mode. So I was thinking, if I want the iPhone 8 and my mom wants portrait mode, I'm just gonna buy my mom the iPhone 8, and then she will give me her old phone. So it's basically like I bought my own phone because I bought a phone and I got a new phone. That my mom's phone took her phone out. They're the ones that go directly into the charger hole instead of like a headphone jack. Remember all that rage a long time ago? People were like freaking out. Look, and so to put headphones in, I have to use this little guy. That's so cool. And then there's a charger and an outlet. I love the way Apple does their packaging. It's so nice, so freaking nice. So technically this is the box for my new phone, except it's not, it's my mom's phone. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but that's what we had to do in order for me to get a new phone and my mom to get portrait. Hello, English, United States of America. Set up manually. Set up Touch ID. I'm setting up my fingerprint. And now I have a password. Oh, this is so exciting. My phone is completely set up and it's charging right now. I'm getting texts and oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go get all of my phone cases and try on the ones that fit my phone, and the ones that don't fit, I'm gonna give to my sister because she has an iPhone 6S, which is my old phone. These are all of my phone cases. My really expensive hologram ones are going to... Oop, that's my new text tone. So the ones that have a camera that small, I already know, like, I don't need to try them on there. No, my marble case won't fit. My marble one doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to order a new one because that's one of my favorite cases. I think my merch is gonna fit. Come on, baby. Yes, my merch fits. My own, very own merch. I love you, baby. I love you to the moon and back. Oh my gosh, I'm like so sad right now. This is the craziest day of my whole life. This doesn't have a pop socket cover on it, but I think this one's gonna fit. But this one isn't even that cute. The end of an era. I need to stop. Okay, I knew this was gonna happen. Oh my gosh, this one's not gonna fit. This is like my favorite case. Oh, this one fits. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Guys, this is the case I was talking about earlier when I was like, you know that case with the pink and the ice cream cone? That. This case fits. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I know for a fact this one's gonna fit because I bought this and I accidentally bought the iPhone 8 case. This one fits. That's cute. That's a really cute case. Oh no, this really cute clear one doesn't fit. Wait, it does! It totally does. Oh my gosh, yay, I'm so happy. Now I'm opening up my new cases to start my new iPhone 8 collection. So glossy. Cute. Oh, I love that. And then also, look at all the extra templates I have down there that I can always switch out. So I have like a white one, a black one. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking though. Like putting a pop socket on is like so scary. I like mine to be lower. Comment down below if you guys like yours in the middle, higher, or lower. Did it? Ah, that was so scary. Ah, I have a new phone. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Guys, I'm so excited for VidCon. Literally, VidCon vlogs are gonna be amazing. Is that in the middle? Yes, it is. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, I didn't put it low enough, but maybe it's okay. The pop socket is like not centered at all. That's so cute. This is my current iPhone case collection. I'm probably gonna be getting new ones. These are all ones I'm giving to my sister and maybe my friends who have iPhone 6Ss. Hey guys, just a little reminder that my sister Lily posted a vlog today about me and her going on a dream picnic, an adorable DIY summer picnic, and the whole video is really cute, so totally watch that right after this video. It'll be linked below. Good morning everyone, it's day 2 of me having my new phone. I love it, it's so clean and so glossy and soft. I'm using my mom's phone to airdrop a bunch of photos that she already has, putting them on my phone because now my camera roll is empty. And basically every time I went on a trip, I would always make albums of my photos. So I would have, going on the cruise, I would have Playlist Live 2017, Playlist Live 2018 and all of that. So I'm gonna do that. And look how big my mom's phone is. Oh, I forgot to get you the case. Guys, so I just took a shower and I'm all refreshed for the day. I love Fiona Frill's refreshing facial mist spray. It's so refreshing. It's just like a spray and it's good for your skin. Anyways, I love my new phone. The only thing we have to get into is my Instagram account, my main Instagram, not my spam Annie's Outtakes, but my main Annie Rose Cole Instagram account. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to get in. Basically at CVX, I was getting lots of hate because people thought I was like trying to take over Annie LeBlanc's life and stuff because I was really good friends with Mia the gymnast, which is one of her really good friends as well. Let me put my glasses back on. And ever since then, people have been trying to hack into my Instagram, and I lost my Instagram while I was at CVX for like a week, and it was really frustrating. So now ever since then, it's been like super strict getting back in, and we had to change the password. But other than that, my phone is completely set up and brand new and beautiful. Ooh, weird fact. So I was sitting on my phone and my pop socket fell off my phone. So this case is from Target and the pop socket's from Target. It's not the pop socket's fault. The case is like really silky and like really glossy. I can't imagine anything could actually stick on it. But I'm just saying, if you guys want to get a glossy case like the one I have, the pop socket fell off. Oh, obviously I restuck it back on, but that's just scary. So if I'm ever holding it like this, it might come off, which is creepy, but I'm sure it'll be fine. So next week I'm gonna be posting an update of what's on my iPhone video, and y'all should totally watch that because I have super cool new apps. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Bye!